Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about a blended learning design model, and it is Pedati model, which is created by US Anis Khairuman. Keep on watching.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, the government is aggressively creating efforts to maximize the education of the young generation without making them do learning activities with teachers face-to-face directly. One of the efforts is doing blended learning. But what is blended learning? Blended learning is learning that combines aspects of advanced activities, online learning, and practice, which has a purpose to create an effective and optimal learning experience.
Before we go far, we should know about quadrant of learning settings. They are synchronous learning and asynchronous learning. In synchronous learning, there are two divisions of learning spaces. The first is face-to-face learning room or live synchronous learning, which is learning happens in the same time and same place through lecture, discussion, practice, demonstration, laboratory, and so on. Next is virtual synchronous learning, which is learning happens in the same time but in different place through audio, video, web, or other sources on internet. In asynchronous learning, there are also two divisions of learning spaces. The first is collaborative asynchronous learning, which is learning about anything can be done by student anywhere, anytime with anyone through chat forums, discussion forums, and collaborations project. The second is self-directed asynchronous learning, which is the student learning about anything, anywhere, anytime by his or herself through videos, simulations, presentation slides, ebooks, and etc. But now, because we are in a pandemic situation, the live synchronous learning is impossible to implement. Therefore, learning activities in blended learning consist of 3 study rooms, include virtual synchronous, collaborative, and self-directed asynchronous.
Now let's discuss about Pedati, which is a design model of a blended learning, which stands for pembelajaran daring pada pendidikan tinggi or online learning in higher education. The learning cycle of this model includes learn or pelajari, explore or dalami, apply or terapkan, and evaluation or evaluasi.
Cycles of Pedati. The first cycle is learn. The lecturer provides digital materials that they design by themselves or materials on the internet to the students. It can be delivered by using various learning platforms and applications. After that, the lecturer must ensure that the students have learned the material by exploring. In the exploring process, the lecturer asks the students to explore what they have learned by using discussion, such as chat forums or discussion forums. After exploring process, the lecturer can also use the third cycle, apply. In applying process, the lecturer asks the students to implement their knowledge that they have got by giving them assignments that relate to the material. And then the lecturer can also assist the first cycle, learn, with evaluation. Evaluation can be done by giving quizzes and answering questions. By doing those cycles, the lecturer will know whether the students passed the material or not. In conclusion, the first cycle, learn, does not stand alone, but it is accompanied by explore, apply, and evaluation. The lecturer can choose 1 or 2 cycles to support and accompany the first cycle to make the students can master digital material. If the lecturer chooses all 3 cycles at once, it will give a heavy burden to the students.
Well, that's all about our presentation. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Bye!